Hello and welcome. This is Hassam Ahmad from HE Gaming Studio. In this video, we will be covering the installation process of Python. So for that, we need to open the Google and type Python and press enter. Then we need to click on this python.org, which is the official website of Python. Then we need to click on this download button, and from there we need to click on this download Python 3.13 version, and it will start downloading Python. Now, if anybody wants to download the older versions of Python, you need to scroll down on this website and you will find a bunch of older versions of Python. Now, if you want to download it, simply click on this download button here. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna stay with Python version 3.13. Python is downloaded. Now we need to click on this Python file, and here we need to check this, and then after this we need to click on this customize installation, then press next and press install Python 3.3 for all users. Then gonna customize the install location, which is already set to C drive program files, and I'm not going to install this because I already installed Python version 3.12. but if you click on this, it will be installed. Now after this, we need to confirm that Python is installed on our Windows or not. So for that, we need to type here cmd, and it will open the command prompt, and here we need to type Python space hyphen and capital V. It is verified that Python version 3.12.6 is installed on our Windows. Python also provides us with a small IDE, which is not for the development purpose, but just for the beginners to practice Python. The name of that mini software is idle. When we type idle in the search bar, it will show you this app. When we click on it, it will open this mini software. Now, if you want to change the look of this window, you can go right here in the options, configure idle. But I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to stick with the default options. Now, we can use this idle shell for calculation purposes. Like we can say that 2 plus 2 equals to 4, 100 divided by 2 equals to 50, and we can also print something like this. Hey, we have installed Python today. Okay, it shows print in some different color because print is a keyword or a built-in function provided by Python that is used to display the output to the console.
We will discuss these keywords and other built-in functions in details in the upcoming videos. For this video, this is enough. I hope you will understand the installation process of Python. Thanks for watching the video.